In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website template on Godaddy in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to give your website a fresh new look or you want to rebrand entirely, changing your website's template is a great way to start. And the good news, Godaddy makes this process surprisingly simple. Let's dive in and see how you can do it by yourself, step by step. First off, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Start by clicking on the Sign In option. You'll find this at the top right corner of the Godaddy homepage. It's pretty straightforward, just look for it and click. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure you input the same credentials you used when you first set up your Godaddy account. This is your key to entering the back end of your website, where all the magic happens, so be sure you're entering the correct information. After you've filled in your details, you'll need to click Sign In again to access your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. Look for an option that says Website on your dashboard. The Godaddy interface is quite user-friendly, so finding it shouldn't be a hassle at all. This is where you'll see a list of any websites you've created with Godaddy. Once you've located your website, the next step involves editing your website. To do this, you need to click on the Edit Website option. This action will take you into the editor mode of your Godaddy website, which is where you can make all sorts of changes, including changing your website template. Now for the exciting part, changing your template. On your website editor page, you need to navigate to the Theme section. You might need to look around a bit as the layout might slightly vary based on your current template or the Godaddy website builder version you're using. Typically, you'd find the Theme option within the settings or within a sidebar menu labeled Edit Site. After finding the Theme section, you'll see an option that says Try a New Look. This is quite an enticing proposition, isn't it? Clicking on this will open up a world of possibilities for your website's aesthetics. Go ahead and give it a click. By clicking on Try a New Look, Godaddy whisks you away to a library of templates. Each of these templates is designed to give your website a distinct feel and functionality. You can scroll through these templates, preview them, and see how they resonate with the vibe you're aiming for with your website. Take your time here. Choosing a template is a lot like choosing an outfit for your website. You want to get it right. After taking a look and considering your options, it's time to make a decision. Once you've set your heart on a particular template, select it. This choice is what will define the new look of your website, so make sure it aligns with your branding and the message you want to convey to your visitors. Remember, a template is not just about the look, it's also about functionality. Consider how the layout fits with your content and whether it enhances or impedes the user experience on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of changing your website template on Godaddy. These steps, though simple when explained, represent a significant change in how your website looks and feels to your visitors. It's refreshing, isn't it? To know that in just a few clicks you can completely transform your website. Remember, change can sometimes feel a bit daunting, especially when it comes to something as central as your website's appearance. But with Godaddy's user-friendly platform, you're never more than a few clicks away from a fresh new look. Take your time, explore your options, and always choose what best fits your brand and your vision for your online presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you give your website that new, vibrant feel you've been looking for.